Looking for the best golf shoes to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Adidas Tour 360-24. The best all-around spiked golf shoe you can buy right now. This shoe just does everything well, and I mean everything. The traction is phenomenal thanks to Adidas' advanced spike configuration that gives you grip in all directions. Whether you're playing on wet grass, dry hardpan, or anything in between, these spikes are going to keep you planted exactly where you need to be. The comfort is top tier too. Adidas used their Boost technology in the midsole, which provides incredible energy return and cushioning that lasts all day long. The upper is made from premium materials that are both durable and comfortable, and the fit is just spot on for most foot shapes. What really sets the Tour 360-24 apart is the stability. The shoe has this wraparound design that really locks your foot in place during your swing, giving you the confidence to really go after it. The waterproofing is excellent, the breathability is great, and the overall construction feels bomb-proof. These shoes will handle whatever you throw at them, whether that's 18 holes in the morning dew or a full tournament weekend. Price-wise, you're looking at around $200 to $220, but for what you get, it's absolutely worth it. This is the shoe I'd recommend to any serious golfer who wants the best performance possible. Number 2. FootJoy HyperFlex. And these shoes are the perfect balance of comfort and traction. FootJoy has been making golf shoes forever, and the HyperFlex shows they know exactly what golfers want. What I love about these is how they manage to be incredibly flexible and comfortable while still giving you that locked-in feeling when you're making your swing. The name says that all of these shoes flex with your foot in the most natural way possible. The traction system on the HyperFlex is outstanding. They've got this hybrid spike and spikeless design that gives you the best of both worlds, serious grip when you need it, but you can still walk comfortably on cart paths and in the clubhouse. The comfort level is through the roof too. FootJoy used their proprietary cushioning system that really absorbs impact, so your feet stay fresh even during those long tournament rounds. These are priced at $179.99, which puts them right in that sweet spot of premium performance without breaking the bank. The build quality is excellent. These are shoes that will last you multiple seasons if you take care of them. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable shoe from a brand you can trust, the HyperFlex delivers on all fronts. And our Number 3. Ecco Biom C4. And these are hands down the most comfortable spikeless golf shoes I've ever worn. If you've got wider feet or you just prioritize all-day comfort above everything else, these are going to be your go-to choice. Ecco has this reputation for making incredibly comfortable shoes, and the Biom C4 lives up to that reputation in spades. The wide fit option is a game-changer for golfers who struggle to find shoes that don't pinch or squeeze. The spikeless design is brilliant. They've got these strategically placed rubber nubs that provide excellent traction without making you feel like you're walking on cleats when you're off the grass. The leather is buttery soft and breaks in really quickly, so you don't have that uncomfortable period where you're breaking in new golf shoes. What really sets these apart is the anatomical last. Ecco designed these to follow the natural shape of your foot, which means less pressure points and better overall comfort. Performance-wise, they're fantastic. The grip is reliable in all conditions, and the stability is there when you need it most. You're looking at somewhere in the $180 to $220 range for these, which is definitely on the higher end, but when you consider the comfort and the fact that these will likely last you years, it's money well spent. If comfort is your number one priority, the Biom C4 should be at the top of your list. Coming in. Number 4. FORE Gallivan2r. And honestly, these might be the most stylish golf shoes on the market right now. G/FORE has always been known for making statement pieces, and the Gallivan2r is no exception. These shoes are going to turn heads on the course. They've got this premium leather construction with really clean lines and some seriously eye-catching colorways. But here's the thing, they're not just about looks. What makes these special is their spikeless design that somehow manages to give you incredible grip. The rubber outsole has this innovative traction pattern that works amazingly well on all types of terrain. I've worn these on everything from soggy morning rounds to bone-dry afternoon rounds, and the grip has never let me down. The comfort level is top-notch too. They've got this plush interior that feels like you're walking on clouds, but with enough support to keep your feet stable during your swing. These retail for around $195, though you can sometimes find them discounted to about $157, which makes them a bit of an investment. But if you're someone who cares about looking good on the course while still getting serious performance, the Gallivan2r delivers on both fronts. They're conversation starters for sure, and the build quality justifies the price point. Number 5. Under Armour Drive Pro. And let me tell you, this shoe is all about power and support. If you're the type of golfer who really goes after it with your swing, these babies are going to be your best friend. The Drive Pro has been completely rebuilt from the ground up, and Under Armour really nailed the biomechanical engineering on this one. What I love about these shoes is how they give you that rock-solid foundation when you're making your swing. You can really feel the difference in your stability through impact. The grip on these is fantastic, especially if you're playing in wet conditions. They've got this strategic spike pattern that just digs into the turf perfectly, giving you confidence to really commit to your shots. Comfort-wise, they're solid too. Under Armour didn't skimp on the cushioning, so you can wear these for a full 18 holes without your feet screaming at you. The waterproofing is legit as well. They come with a 1-year waterproof warranty, which shows Under Armour really stands behind their product. Now, price-wise, you're looking at around $150 to $170 depending on whether you go with the spikeless or spiked version. That's pretty reasonable for what you're getting, especially considering the build quality and performance features. These are definitely worth checking out if you prioritize stability and power in your golf game.